I'd like to share with you something that Bill Gates said. Ako, kilala niyo ba si Bill Gates? Siyempre, no? Isa sa mga pinakasikat na tao sa buong mundo yan, si Bill Gates. One of the co-founders of Microsoft, but also, sa panahon ngayon, no, mas kilala na siya as a philanthropist. At ang sinabi niya, most people overestimate what they can do in 1 year and underestimate what they can do in 10 years. And I thought that this is something appropriate to share during this time, lalo na last month of the year na. Para sa akin, gusto ko yung December, my favorite month to be honest, because it allows me to look back at the things that I did, accomplish, or tried to do for the past year. And true enough, I would always look back and realize na ang dami ko pala talagang pinanong gawin for the year at dahil kulang sa oras or may mga unforeseen circumstances, hindi ko siya lahat nagawa. But after doing this for so many years, na-realize ko rin na okay lang na hindi ko nagagawa lahat because there's always next year. Ang advantage na meron tayong mga pinlano, may mga nilista tayo na gagawin for the year is it gave us direction, it gave us motivation for the whole year. So sa dami ng mga gusto kong gawin, i-accomplish for 2025, so far naman, most of it, more than half, almost 70% of the things I planned for ay either natapos ko or nasimulan ko na at kayang tapusin next year. Sabi ni Bill Gates, we usually overestimate what we can do in a year. And I think kasi mayroon tayong present bias, no? Feeling natin, lalo na kung mag-end of the year, meron kasing fresh start effect. Yung inspired tayo na mag-try ng mga bagong bagay, mag-try mga new habits, to learn new habits for ourselves, to stop or quit yung mga bad habits natin. Kaya marami talaga tayong gustong gawin for the next year. At unfortunately, we tend to overestimate it. Hindi natin nagagawa lahat. But again, okay lang. At least meron pa rin. Yung mga ginagawa natin every year or the things that we try to accomplish every year, kung hindi man natin natapos, we can always do it the following year. And I realized that there are goals na talagang hindi mo kayang gawin within 1 year. Sometimes, some goals are too big na kailangan mo talaga ng 3-4 years bago siya matapos. One such goal is starting a business for me. Meron akong mga business ideas at the start of the year and I realized na ang dami ko pala talagang kailangang pag-aralan muna, ang dami kong kailangan i-prepare. Kulang pala yung capital na tinago ko. So, talagang nag-iipon muna tayo, nagpaplano, nag-aaral ng mga bagong skills, nag-research, i-interview ng mga ibang entrepreneurs who are doing that business. And more often than not, it takes around 2 years for me to plan and eventually put up a new business. What does this mean? Some people, may mga financial goals sila na tumitigil after a year. So, sige, goal ko sa 2025, for example, is to build a business. Pero towards the end of the year, parang wala sila masyadong na-accomplish, nasimulan nila, pero hindi nila natapos, medyo nadidisappoint sila. And then by 2026, gagawa nila sila ng ibang goal. They give up on that goal. So sana hindi natin ginagawa yon because sabi din ni Bill Gates, we underestimate what we can do in 10 years. So some goals, if you stick to it long enough, you'll be able to accomplish it within 10 years. Isipin mo na lang, ano ba yung status ng buhay mo, ano ba yung ginagawa mo, ano yung pinagkakaabalahan mo, even ano yung mga problema mo 10 years ago. What's that? 2015, no? I can still remember, 2015, sobrang iba na yung buhay ko ngayon sa buhay ko noong 2015. And I would say that a large part of it are the things that I planned for 10 years ago. So, alam ko pa, sa ibang lugar pa ako nakatira noon, noong 2015, no? Alam ko pa yung mga pinaghihirapan ko noon, no? Yung mga goals ko noon. And I usually keep a diary. Meron akong journal. When I read back yung entries ko noong 2015, natutuwa ako because yung mga hopes and dreams, yeah, hopes and dreams talaga, no? Hopes and dreams ko back then, most, if not all of it, na-accomplish ko within the next 10 years. And right now, if I will check yung mga financial goals ko, life goals, at yung mga gusto ko pang gawin, bago na sila lahat. Meaning, yung mga goals ko nung 10 years ago, either I realize na hindi pala siya para sa akin or na-accomplish ko siya. What I'm trying to say is very important yung commitment to your goals and persistence in pursuing your goals. Hindi mo man natapos, hindi mo man siya nagawa within a year. Definitely if you stick to it, if you have the commitment to achieve yung financial goals mo, matatapos mo siya finally. Hindi man 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, but I'm very sure within the next 10 years, if it's important enough to you, if you really want it, kayang-kaya mong ma-achieve yan. So these are the thoughts that came to my mind when I read this quote from Bill Gates. Most people overestimate what they can do in 1 year and underestimate what they can do in 10 years. So ikaw, isipin mo, ano ba yung mga goals mo na talagang gusto mong ma-accomplish and willing to work on it for several years? Because most goals that are worth working for, no, yung mga worth it talaga na mga bagay sa buhay, hindi yun basta-basta na-achieve. It will take dedication, persistence, and hard work. Which means 1 year might not be enough. We might overestimate the things that we can do in a year, but definitely stick to it. Your dedication will bring that goal to you within the next several years. So that's our quotable quote for today, and I hope ay nagustuhan nyo.